We're taking where we previously had multiple instances of QGenda, plus multiple instances of various other scheduling programs, and consolidating that into one across the entire system so we can better achieve an economy of scale and leverage that data with the other systems we work with.
And it's one of the things that QGenda helps us do, reduce the diversity of the systems that we have. We had multiple scheduling systems, and when we selected QGenda, that made sure that we just had one. From an IT perspective, there's a huge cost, I think, containment associated with that, so it's more efficient for us to have one.
Historically, information has been siloed, a lot of times department to department, and not easily accessible and not easy for hospital health systems to support. By moving systems across the entire organization and standardizing that, we can provide solutions for all these different departments that may have different specific needs, but we're able to do that across an entire organization with the same support and the same staffing that you would have if you had to do it at each individual siloed location.
From our perspective, the benefit of having a single solution, or a single instance rather, of QGenda across our enterprise is twofold. It gives us at an organizational level that visibility and ability to quickly make changes as we need. One of the things we've liked about QGenda is that it also allows for a lot of that site level customization alongside of that. So we're not removing control from an individual specialty on how they manage it. They can continue doing their stuff the way they need to, but we're able to propagate changes out to the whole group much faster by having it all centrally managed. We don't have different reports for different specialties. We have one type of report where if I'm a physician leader or a hospital leader, I can see that data in one pane of glass. They're not having to manage separate contracts with individual vendors. We at a system can provide that and provide that at a much lower cost to them through the scale we're able to provide. We can align closely and have a single data point that we can integrate across the ecosystem of other platforms we have, whether it be our HRIS system, whether it be our EMR. Having a centralized workforce management system for physician scheduling is going to be incredibly helpful for us in having that single point where we can get the data between different systems much more easily and have the best of platform system, if you will, for scheduling, but also be able to have that downstream with the other systems that do what they do at their own best of platform.